An expense audit report. 2 approval tiers, 4 line items validated against policy, every decision timestamped, and every deadline enforced. This was generated 12 minutes after the report was submitted. Here's what that replaced. A controller at a 75-person manufacturing company watches equipment and travel expenses pile up from field engineers. The plant director, who needs to approve anything over $5,000, is on the production floor. He rarely checks email, so the controller becomes the reminder. At a 200-person professional services firm, a senior analyst's $6,250 travel report sat in a manager's queue for 11 days. Nobody escalated it. The analyst carried that balance on a personal card for nearly 3 weeks. HR got involved, so did the CFO. Spreadsheet trackers break the moment a manager goes on PTO without a delegate. Expense software handles receipts and basic routing, but multi-stage escalation and SLA enforcement need enterprise plans or weeks of setup. ERPs can do it, but the finance manager can't change the threshold without filing a ticket. Whether you manage travel reimbursements at a professional services firm or equipment expenses at a manufacturing plant, the same raw report goes in, and the same validated, time-stamped audit trail comes out. Healthcare and construction run on the same logic. The approval chain enforces its own deadlines. The report summary shows every dollar and who approved it. The approval decisions table logs each approver, their deadline, and whether they hit it. Below that, line items flag policy violations in line, a $900 nightly lodging charge against a $350 cap, an $800 team dinner against a $75 meal limit. The exceptions table documents every judgment call with exact amounts. On the left, a generic approval form. No policy check, no deadline enforcement. On the right, a complete audit trail where every line item is validated and every exception is documented. Construction change orders and healthcare authorizations run on the same logic. Government procurement, too. Lassa.ai. See what a self-enforcing approval chain looks like for your expense process. Your deadlines should enforce themselves. Now they can.